Hi, I'm Laura with Get Out There Tours and Travel. If you're watching this, you're probably going on one of my trips. So I wanted to talk about electronics because I'm getting a lot of messages from people and they're confused about different voltages and wattages for laptops and charging phones. And I just decided I'm going to show you what I'm bringing. So this is my electronics kit. This is made by Evergoods. It was worth the money that I spent on it because I take this on every trip. So it has two ways of opening it. You can open it like I just did, unzip it, and then it sits like that, and you can put it on a table and everything is wide open. Or like when you're on the plane and you want to get to it from inside of your backpack. In this case, I'm bringing a backpack that opens up like a doctor's bag, so I can just reach in and open this top part. And then my things I need the most during flight, like charging my watch, or what else do I have in here? Headphones and cables. The things I'll definitely be using during my flight will be in the top part. So let's see what's in there. One of these fold up phone and watch chargers. So I set it up like this on the table in my hotel, and I put my phone against it like that, and it goes in night mode where it becomes a clock. And then on the back side, I charge my watch. I can use this in flight because I plug it into the charger and then plug it into this, which then goes into the plane. Usually have to bring an adapter for that just in case the airplane doesn't have the US plug. So those are some things that you definitely want to bring on the trip. For the Bali trip, you want to type C and bring a couple of these. There's different variations, but I like the ones that have the round because you'll notice that the socket on the wall isn't flush, it goes in. So if you put those big heavy ones on, they're gonna fall out a lot of the time, and these are safe. They're only like $3. I always bring my little iPhone headset. A couple cables like this. This is one of those magnetic ones. So it rolls up really nicely. And then I like these little chargers. You take it apart and it will do, there's type C, there's the lightning for my old iPhone, which I bring both my phones. The old one is to put a SIM card in so I can receive calls. So this one has type C, and then again that's type C, and then again another type A. And then it's like a magnet. So that goes in the top part too. And then what's inside the big part? So I have a lot of stuff here because I bring my laptop. So you want to bring an adapter that's going to have enough wattage to charge your laptop. So if you're going to put a 20-watt charger, that's not good for your laptop. So like the ones that come with Apple, if you have Apple products, that's going to be 100 or more, 60 or more, sorry. This one is 100. And then it obviously has a big heavy cable, so I just take those apart when I pack them. Another thing I bring is one of these multi-adapters where I can put my SD cards in it. This is sort of like a backup because I have another one, but this has saved me many times. I can also put my headphones into it. Another one of these charging cables that's magnetic, and then various little adapters for my headphones to put the headphone into there, and then this into my phone, and then I have another one type C that goes into my computer. Make sure you try all of your wires and that you have everything that you need before you go, because most of the time we have one traveler who always brings stuff for everybody, and she's not on this trip. So this is a portable adapter that's also very powerful that can charge my my MacBook. So this you can also charge unplugged. So this is like a good to go thing for like if you're in a van and driving around and you need to pull something up on your computer like I do all the time. I have this. So that one's a good one. And these are pretty much all linked in my packing list. And just more cables. This one's for my GoPro. Sometimes I brought GoPro thinking my GoPro can be charged on another cable and it wasn't enough wattage or something and it didn't charge. So I just bring the one that I have a little label that says GoPro. I also label my things. Keep your things neat because when you're traveling, you're going to be in a hurry. And you'll be like, which wire, which cable? Super frustrating. And then I bring a little flashlight in addition to my headlamp because in developing countries, when there's rainstorms and thunderstorms, the power goes out sometimes. So I always have a flashlight and then my headlamp. This flashlight will actually fit onto a hat. So if I can't find my headlamp, this is always on my nightstand in this little caddy. So that's the main stuff. And also, most people don't need such a big electronics case. This is a nice little one that I have linked. Very inexpensive on my website. This is a great device that I use to watch movies on my phone on the airplane. You can just prop it in there. I can also use it, like right now, I could be using it to make this video. I could prop my phone in it, but I have it on something else. This fits iPad and phone and tablet holder. Super inexpensive. And then this is what I have my headphones in. So this definitely goes from my bag into I put it in my seat next to me when I'm traveling. And I have another charger that I just recently got. This is on sale. It's actually my suggested item of the month. This is $15 with a coupon. Sorry about the noise. My dog, he's scratching and it's his collar. So this will come apart somehow, twisting. And you can take it with you like that, or you can take it like this or you can put it back together and charge it in the wall back in your hotel room. So this would just be my on the go. You can see that you can charge your watch on there on the top, and then has one Type-C. This thing is $16. It's amazing. And then on the go, it only has 5,000 milliamps, but that's definitely enough to get your phone charged. And then I have my backup phone and my Christmas present. These are on sale at Costco for $150. These are Bose and they're wireless. I've never had wireless before and I've been using them to listen to audiobooks and they're absolutely amazing and the quality is better. They're Quiet Comfort and the quality is better than my old ones. Maybe they were just getting old. And then I have a little pouch in here where I keep all the cables that are related to my headphones. And that's all that's in that one. So that's all my electronics. This next trip that I'm making that I'm actually packed for is to go to Thailand to volunteer with the elephants. So this isn't actually for, this is for my Bali trip, but this stuff is for my Thailand trip. And I just want to say there's one more electronic thing that I'm bringing that I usually don't bring. And I'm bringing a little mini blow dryer that I got for $15. That's dual voltage. And if you need a dryer to straighten your hair, whatever, or hair straighteners, always get dual voltage. It's not worth it to get those converters. If you can get a dryer for $15 and just leave it there if you don't want to take it home. Those dual voltage, most of the time, those converters, most of the time they're going to fizzle and something's going to happen. So anyway, if you have any questions, reach out and I'll see you in Bali.